up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in and watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. The most fun is in the comments. Join me in the comments. So the topic of today's video is, should I keep this car or should I sell this car? This Ferrari has been a rocky road, to say the least. It's finally sorted, and keep it or sell it? It's a tough question. I'm gonna need you guys to help me with this. Comment below. In order for you to decide, I think we should go for a drive. What do you say? Sounds good? Okay, let's go. Let's get in the car and let's go for a drive. What's up, guys? We're here in the car. See how she drives, see if it's all worth it. Took a long time, lots of money to get to this point. Is it time to call it quits? Or is this love affair just getting started? There goes that Subaru passing me again. Listen to that sound. Nice. So now that the shifter's working great, feels incredible. It just feels so mechanical. Every shift is right there where you want it to be. And you just feel connected to the car. I know some people call me really crazy for selling my perfectly well and extremely powerful 2018 GT3 for this car, but I didn't intend for them to cost the same. It just kind of ended up that way. So this car is a 6-speed. I know some of the older Ferraris are 5 speeds, and it's plenty good just for cruising around if you're in high gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. Right now I'm at the speed limit, 5th gear, and the rev counter is about 3,500, and this car is not even breaking a sweat. Very comfortable. This car loves it if you give it a little rev before you complete the shift, before you let go of the clutch, because the revs fall so quickly. If you don't do that, well, I'm not going to recreate it, but if you don't do that, the car kind of jerks a little bit. That's the way you keep it smooth. Same with the downshift, same thing. Keep those revs up. But yeah, finally getting the car back. I'm just so relieved to have a car that I'm paying tens of thousands of dollars to fix in my garage, and I can drive it anytime. Let me ask you this, for you guys that want me to sell this car, what car would I get after selling this car? What can I get for similar money? I'm into this car for about 140K. You know, how much can I get out from under it, and you know, what could I buy that's more exciting than this car? It has to be stick shift. Comment below. Don't say the new Corvette because it's a paddle shift. Let me know, what would you do? I personally feel, if I can offer my opinion, that I love Ferraris, and it's just a lot of drama. It's totally different drama than driving a Porsche. Porsches are so settled, so just so well put together. Ferrari just demands your attention. I think we should go for a tunnel. Let's go. Tunnel check. Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. Woo-hoo. Sounds good. I don't know. If my vote counts, I say we keep this car and we enjoy it. What do you say, guys? What do you say, guys? Comment below. Keep the Ferrari or let her go. I can't let her go. If you want it, offer me a price in the comments. I ain't selling her. It took too hard to get to this point. We're gonna have some fun. Stick with me. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.